Looking for the ultimate bakeware roundup? Here are 5 top-rated baking pans compared in under 2 minutes. Product 1. TAUCI 3-Piece Set. First up, the TAUCI 3-Piece Set. Pros: comes with custom 304 stainless steel roasting racks for extra airflow, nests together easily, and is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Cons: racks are not microwave safe, so remember to take them out. Ideal if you love roasted veggies or crispy meats. Product 2. GoodCook 2-Piece Loaf Pans. Next, we have the GoodCook set of 2 loaf pans. Pros: heavy-duty gauge steel, super budget-friendly, and a scratch-resistant non-stick coating that's metal spatula safe. Cons: steel material isn't suited for microwave use, and hand washing is recommended to keep the coating pristine long-term. Unbeatable value if you bake bread or meatloaf regularly. Product 3. Made in French Porcelain Dish. For a premium upgrade, check out the Made in French Porcelain Dish. Pros: handcrafted in France, thermal shock resistant up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit, and offers incredible heat conductivity so you never get a soggy bottom. Cons: it's a single pan for a higher price point, making it a splurge. The absolute choice for serious bakers wanting professional performance. Product 4. MALACASA 4-Piece Ceramic Set. Fourth is the popular MALACASA 4-Piece Set. Pros: includes 4 versatile sizes up to 3 quarts, features a stylish ribbed finish, and is safe for the oven, microwave, and freezer. Cons: no storage lids included, and the whole set combined weighs around 11 pounds. Great aesthetic all-rounder for everyday family meals. Product 5. Caraway Non-Stick Rectangle Pan. Finally, the Caraway Non-Stick Rectangle Pan. Pros: non-toxic, PTFE and PFOA-free ceramic coating, handles heat up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and cleaning it is effortless. Cons: hand wash only, and aluminum isn't safe for microwaves. Perfect if non-toxic living and sleek design are your top priorities. Which dish fits your kitchen style? Drop a comment below, follow for more honest kitchen reviews, and grab all the links in the description.